Hey, welcome to this Infinity Processing System review, and today I want to talk to you about Infinity Processing System. I just joined this. I'm very excited because this is something that is super easy and simple. You don't need any kind of marketing experience. You don't need any kind of technical know-how. You really don't need any of that to make this work. And also, it's a direct sales system, so you get paid directly. You earn 100% commissions, as it says right here, and they get paid directly to you. So they're not paid to somebody else. You don't have to wait for your money. They get paid directly. And it's very simple, right? It is just really, truly a 3 simple step system. First, you just need to get started, and we'll show how you can do that. And then it talks about here you can post ads on social media. And there's a lot of really, really good training that shows how to do that. Now, you don't have to necessarily use social media to promote this system, but it is a very effective way to do it. And so you may want to follow the training and, just carry out the steps the way they show you how to do that. If you have other traffic methods that you use and that you know how to get traffic to offers already in a different format or a different means, then you can certainly use that to promote this system as well. And then when someone gets started through one of your buy links, then you get paid, and you get paid immediately, 100% commission. It goes directly into your payment processor. So let's talk about getting started here. They have 3 different plan levels that you can start at: the $50 starter level, the $150 elite level, and the $300 pro level. And this is where I jumped in, and I'll explain some of the differences here. Really, whatever level you start at is the level that you're going to be paid at, or any levels below that. So for example, if you join at the starter level, then anytime you help someone else get started at the starter level and they join through your payment link, then you get paid $50 immediately to you into your payment processor. If you start at the $150 elite level, then anytime you help someone get started at either the $50 starter level, you get paid $50, or if they start through you at the elite level, then you get paid $150. If you start at the pro level, which is a $300, and I should say, I forgot to say, these are all just one-time payments. That's the other beautiful thing I love about it. These aren't monthly payments. There's no recurring costs, etc. This is just a one-time payment. And so if you get started at the pro level, then anybody that you help get started at any level, you earn that commission. So if you help somebody get started at the starter level, you make $50. If they start at the elite, you make $150. And if they start at pro, you make $300. So you only get commissions for the level you're at or any of the levels below you. So a starter level, if you help someone see the beauty of this system and they decide they want to jump in at the pro level, unfortunately you will not make that $300 commission, because you are only eligible to make $50 commissions if you're at the starter level. And so that's why there is some advantage to starting at a higher level. Obviously, only start at whatever level you can afford. You can always upgrade. And so if you just want to give it a try, it's a $50 one-time payment, so very low. And then when you're ready to upgrade, you can upgrade to elite or to pro. There is a one-time admin fee to get your website set up. You'll get a copy of this exact website, but with your information and with your buy button links. And again, the beauty of this, they're just one-time payments. You don't have to pay monthly for your website. You don't have to pay monthly to be eligible to earn commissions. And again, that is one thing that was really, really attractive to me, is there were no ongoing costs to do this. And obviously, depending on what level you start at, there's going to be different, not only commissions, but what you're given as far as ads. Now, the starting level's got plenty, okay? You got lots of really good training, because you're not only buying, when you join, the opportunity to earn commissions by helping others join, but you're buying training, okay? And this is really, really good training. There's a really active Facebook support group, and the training you're learning, obviously, we'd recommend you apply the training to promote Infinity Processing System, get people started, earn your investment back, make more money. But you could use this training really to promote any offer, and obviously the higher level that you start at, the more training opportunities that you get. Okay, you see at the $300 level, you're getting training really for all kinds of stuff. YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, all kinds of all kinds of things. You get some bonus webinar trainings, etc. as well. And so these are where your buy buttons will go. And so if anybody starts, they are being paid directly to you. And you earn that payment immediately into through your payment processor. So let's just jump real quick into the members area. So this is the Infinity Processing System members area. And when you jump in and you get started, you're going to want to go through the intro area. This is where they're going to talk to you about getting your buy buttons set up, either through PayPal or Stripe, or if you need help, I definitely can help you do that. It's really not hard, but sometimes it can be a little confusing, and I'm definitely here to help anybody who starts with me. And once you have your buy buttons, then you're going to get your website set up, okay? And so that's what step 2 is, getting your funnel, getting your website. And you need to obviously have your buy buttons ready so they can put those onto your website. And again, that's just a one-time $25 administration fee to get that. But then that's it. You don't pay for hosting a domain or anything else. It's just a one-time fee. Now, they have some really good training that you're going to want to go through. Training is just on sales techniques, speech, proper words to use, mindset, which is so important. If you think you're going to be successful, you will. If you don't think you're going to be successful, then you won't. Okay? So you want to make sure you have a good mindset. Again, just sales training. And again, you don't have to be a master seller. This system really does sell itself, but you do want to be able to know, how to answer questions if people have questions and what to say. Your pre-written ads and bonus images that you can put on social media. If you start at the starter or elite level and you want to upgrade, how to do that. You definitely want to jump into the 7-day action plan for success. You can hit the ground running, get up and going, and start making commissions right away, and then just go through the rest of the training. Now, some of this is at the higher pro level where I started, so you're going to get some additional training on Craigslist, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, etc. But you just want to jump in and get going, get started. So I'll leave a link for my site in the description box down below. It'll take you here, and you can go through, watch the videos on the page. Let me know if you have any questions. Reach out to me, and I'll be happy to answer any questions that you have and clear up anything that you need to get started. So again, just a quick summary. You don't need any kind of technical skill. You don't need domain. You don't need hosting. You don't need any kind of extensive marketing experience. And the other thing that I love about it, these are just one-time payments to get started. There is no ongoing cost once you get started. So you just get started, pay the one time, and then you are set. So I hope this helped. Thanks so much for watching. Definitely reach out if you have any questions at all.